Happy study. Hello, good morning. I am Nefice. How are you? Are you asking me? I am great. Thank you. Today I made a song for you and I will sing it with my friends. I hope you like it. La 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 la, let's sing. In the morning we say good morning.
Good morning.
After lunch we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
After dinner we say
Good
good
evening.
evening.
Good evening.
Before sleep we say
Good
good night.
night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. That was awesome. Yes, it was. But we do need a lot of practice. Agree. Thank you, my friends. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. See you next time. See you next time. See you. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just use your imagination. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.